To a primetime news follow-up now. Some Maroons in Accompong, St. Elizabeth are calling for unity. The call comes as some residents appear to be violently aligning themselves to rival political factions in the area. More in this report from DWAYNE Anderson.
You can't do me nothing, man. My friend, you can't do me nothing. The law of Jamaica must take its course. The law of Jamaica must take its course. Can't do me nothing. Me no coward.
A former colonel and another Maroon locked in a war of words. It is another reminder of the tension in Accompong in St. Elizabeth. Some residents told us that the community is divided, but others say the critics are trying to derail the current administration.
Them always fight against good people.
Exactly.
Always try to put down people who try to upgrade and uplift the community. We not in where them in where them at about Richie, nothing like that.
If you talk, they say you create problem. So we don't know how this is going to come back. Because right now, then them I say we down here so make the trouble. Because they split Accompong in two right now. Because they say we don't here make trouble. They separate we from Accompong. Say we don't have river and make trouble. Even yesterday, a set of news people was here, media personality was here. But through them stop down here so first before them go, they said they want to get some.
Things boiled over last week when a member of the community was allegedly attacked by men loyal to the current chief, Richard Curry. It stemmed from the staging of an illegal party. That case is being investigated by the police. But residents insist their issue with the leadership has nothing to do with the parties.
No, we don't really need no celebration now, you know.
COVID still a key.
COVID still going on.
COVID still a key.
COVID still going on and all what go on, you know, me yes party I keep. First thing, you know, me against party. I tell you the truth.
Residents in the meantime say they just want things to return to the old times when everyone was united.
We need to work together to build the community because unity is strength. And as we can see, even yesterday on the radio, they identified that the community is split. But we don't want it to be split because our kindred tree represent one family. And we want us to work together to become one family.
DWAYNE Anderson, TVJ News.